Hi, my name is Mark, and I'm here to discuss how to design a trade show exhibit. Trade shows and events are some of the best ways to promote and sell products and create brand awareness. The process of designing, building, delivering, managing, and storing a custom trade show exhibit is a journey that is essential to help an event marketing strategy succeed. I'm going to walk you through the journey of a custom exhibit so you know what it's involved. Let's begin. Step 1. You need to identify your goals. What are your objectives? Lead generation, brand awareness, education, building relationships, short-term sales or long-term sales. After you've established your goals, assessing your needs is next. What is the first show or event? What size exhibit will you need? Will you need multiple sizes for future events? What is your overall budget? Will you need to display products in your booth? Will you need space for demonstrations or presentations? Will you need a conference area? Will you need assistance in designing graphics for your booth? Describe the look you desire: conservative, elegant, high-tech, minimalist. Describe the feel you desire: open, symmetrical, freeform. Will you need shipping, storing, and logistics for your exhibit assets? Finding the exhibit partner is the second most important step in designing a trade show exhibit. They will design an exhibit around your goals and will take the requirements and design with those in mind. Choose a partner who is seasoned, experienced, and offers services such as graphic design, installation and dismantle, and asset management. The third step in the process is for the exhibit partner to decide, based on goals, budget, timeline, and other factors, the path the exhibit should take: fully custom, semi-custom, systems, which is based on modular building blocks and off-the-shelf elements. Once the path is chosen, the exhibit partner will start the design process. Fourth, the exhibit partner will share the exhibit designs with your brand goals and budget in mind. They may nail the first concept, or there may be tweaks to achieve the perfect look. After the exhibit design is finalized, they will work with expert project management and detailing teams to lay the blueprints for building the exhibit and bringing the design to life. During this phase, project managers and detailers determine the building blocks and materials required, as well as ensure that the exhibit will be produced within the desired time frame. So far, we've covered the need to identify the exhibiting goals, select the exhibit partner, and finalize the exhibit design. The exhibit partner has started the process of planning for the exhibit build. The next phase is in graphic design and overall construction of the exhibit. Fifth, designing graphics for the exhibit. Once the team finalizes the exhibit's manufacturing blueprint and plan, guidelines and graphic templates for the design of the display will be provided. This is a critical step in the process and one that should be driven based on the exhibit design selected. Many exhibit partners can design the graphics for the exhibit, but some exhibitors prefer this be handled by in-house creative or graphic design agency. If independently designing the graphics, connect the graphic designer with the exhibit partner. They will give important guidance such as positioning the message at a high, middle, and low points in the booth and keeping exhibit graphics simple and not text heavy. Sixth, building the exhibit. With detailed blueprint and finalized graphics, the exhibit moves into production. Expert teams fabricate the elements of the exhibit, including extrusion cutting, tube bending, welding, woodworking, and more. Graphic experts, comprised of expert print and finishing machine operators and seamstresses, produce the graphic artwork on a variety of materials such as fabric, satin, sheer vinyl, PVC, and canvas. Once graphics are printed, they proceed to graphic finishing to be cut to size and sewed. Depending on the size, the materials used, and the complexity of your exhibit, production may last 2 to 4 weeks. During this time, the trade show partner is working closely with production teams to ensure quality and timeliness. Seventh, we're previewing the exhibit. Many exhibit partners offer a booth preview of the exhibit once completed. This allows for a quality review, final tweaks, and changes to be made before it ships to the show. The exhibit continues on its journey to its first trade show or event. The eighth and final step, the show and beyond. Producing the custom trade show exhibit is only one piece of completing the exhibiting program. Some companies have internal teams that manage the logistics, install, dismantle, storage of the exhibit assets, but many use their exhibit partner to assist in these areas. Exhibit partners can handle all show planning, all coordination in ordering electrical, rigging, flooring, AV, furnishings, shipping, installation and dismantle, storage, and more. Depending on your level of internal resources and exhibiting schedule, these management services can save time and stress in the long run, making it easy so that all you need to do is show up. So as you can see, there are a lot of steps involved with designing and building a custom trade show exhibit. And understanding the goals and finding the right exhibit partner are the most important to achieve success.